Hello, this is video 1 of a mini unit on probability. So what exactly is probability? Probability is the likelihood of a particular outcome. More simply explained, it is the number of times a particular outcome occurs written as a fraction of the total number of outcomes. There are two kinds of probability, theoretical and experimental. This video will focus on theoretical probability. Theoretical probability is the number of favorable outcomes written as a fraction of the total number of possible outcomes. It is the number of outcomes favorable to that event over the number of possible outcomes. What does that mean exactly? Well, basically, it is telling us the likelihood of what should happen based on what we're looking at. For example, if I put 3 blue marbles, 2 green marbles, and 5 orange marbles in a bag, the theoretical probability of me drawing out a blue marble would be 3 out of 10. 3 because there are 3 blue marbles in the bag, and 10 because that's the total number of marbles in the bag. 3 plus 2 plus 5 equals 10. Another example is if I rolled a 6-sided die. The theoretical probability of me rolling a 4 would be 1 in 6. 1 because 4 only appears once, and 6 because there are 6 different numbers on the die. We can express theoretical probability as a ratio, a fraction, or as a percent. Now it's your turn. A box contains 3 red, 2 green, and 4 blue candies. Carmen picked 1 candy at random. What is the theoretical probability that the candy was red? Green? White? Press pause and write down your answers. Press play to resume the video and check your answers. The probability of pulling a red candy is 3 out of 9, or 3 to 9, or 33%. The probability of pulling a green candy is 2 out of 9, or 2 to 9, or 22%. And the probability of pulling a blue candy is 4 out of 9, 4 to 9, or 44%. For the same question, what is the probability of pulling out a pink candy? If you're scratching your head, you're on the right track. In that question, there are no pink candies in the bag, so the theoretical probability of drawing a pink candy is impossible. So there you have it. This has been an introductory video on probability, focusing on theoretical probability.